Hello everyone. So in this video, I will let you know to create workflows for the notification when any message is received. So you need to go to this automations, then workflows, create workflow from scratch, trigger manually, contact, save and continue, then manually trigger only when filter criteria is met. Here you need to search Vira WhatsApp integration, message received has been completed is any number of time, save. So this workflow helps when any message received, it will send the notification to the people. Then click on plus icon, communication, send. If you want to send email notification, then click on internal email notification, or if you want to send in-app notification like you are using Slack, then you can use in-app notification as well. So here I'm using send internal email notification. Here you can choose if you want to send it to the users, then you can select username or agent name like this. If you want to send it to the teams, then here you can choose the team. If you want to send it to the existing owner, like you want to send it to the contact owner, then you can set it as well. Then put the subject like message received or new message received. Then here you can put a body of the email like new message has been received, kindly reach out to the customer like this, then click on save. So once you click on save, your workflow is ready. You can give name to your workflow like internal email notification for message received and then save. Then you can review and turn on this workflow. Thank you.